In a small forgotten town, a haunted legend dwells within an abandoned house where the whispers of the past linger in the air, and the story begins with Emily, a curious teenager who just moved in next door. Every night, drawn by an inexplicable force, Emily gazes at the haunted house, feeling an unsettling connection to the ghostly figure that haunts its window. With each brave step into the crumbling structure, Emily's heart races as she encounters the spirit who seems to beckon her closer, revealing secrets long buried. As Emily reads the journal, she uncovers the truth behind the phantom's existence, realizing that she may be the only one who can set the spirit free from its lingering sorrow. Determined to help the ghost find peace, Emily enlists her friends, and together they prepare for a final encounter, hoping to bridge the gap between the worlds. In a moment filled with tension, Emily bravely calls out to the spirit, channeling all her courage to confront the past and bring closure to the haunting that has lingered for so long.